Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install and use free VPN on your iPhone. So look at I'm get free VPN. I'm already installed. Okay, select and you just select any country. That's my location. Like I'm select Singapore. Okay, look at now successfully connect my VPN. No need to pay it. It's totally free and 100% safe. Okay, so how you can easily install? Open App Store, go to search option, search set to VPN, and this is the VPN. You just easily install and use this VPN. No need to pay it. It's totally free. So that's it.